welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play F chord, C7 chord, and how to strum with those two chords to make the song Mary Had a Little Lamb. So make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. I will be moving closer to the camera and back here throughout the video just to make sure that you can see everything clearly. Okay, first, F chord, we're going to need our index and middle fingers, and look at where I am putting them. I am curving those fingers to make sure that I don't touch the other strings in between them or next to them. I only want to touch those strings. If I do this, I'm going to get this sound. I'm going to mute. So I want to curve and play with the very tip. Now if I do that, I still get kind of a mute. That's not very pleasant. So the other part of playing this chord is using the thumb behind those fingers to really squeeze. Now, if I play each string, I can hear a really nice ringing note. Okay, so that is F chord. The other chord that we're going to need for this song is C7. C7 is just right here. Index finger on the first fret of A. So a really nice way to switch from F to C7 is to play F like this, how we learned it, and then roll back for C7. And then roll forward for F. You can also just skip over F, C7, and then F. Notice how I'm keeping the middle finger here close. When I'm playing C7, the middle finger is staying close because I know I'm coming back to F to play there. Okay, so for Mary Had a Little Lamb, we need F chord in the beginning. Watch me do it first. Mary had a little lamb. So let's do that together. We're on F chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb. Next we're moving to C7. Watch me do it first. Little lamb. Just 3 strums. Try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Little lamb. And then we're gonna finish the phrase back on F. Little lamb. Whoa, my singing went too high. Little lamb. That's a little better. So watch me do that whole first section or the first phrase, and then we'll do it together. So watch the first time. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. So try it with me if you're ready. If not, you can watch again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. And just to review, my strum is just the index finger kind of falling down on the strings. And it's not the index finger down this way, but the side of it. Okay? So let's do it together if you're ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning, go. Mary had a little lamb. Switch. Little lamb. Switch. Little lamb. Let's try that again because switching is not easy at first. If you feel like the ukulele is about to fall on you, then you can kind of have your hand lean this way. Let me show you. So we're doing Mary had a little lamb. And then you can kind of have it lean on you when you're switching. Little lamb, little lamb. You can also use a strap if your ukulele has a strap. That also helps. Let's do the first line. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb. Switch. Little lamb. Switch. Little lamb. The pattern we just played is the same for the second line. Watch me. Mary had a little lamb. Its face was white as snow. So really pretty similar pattern. So let's try the second line. You can watch the first time or you can try and play along with me. 1, 2, second phrase. 1, 2, ready, and Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Try it with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Okay, so now let's try to play from the beginning to the end together. 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. Keep going. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Let's try that again, because it's kind of tricky to just keep going to the second phrase without stopping. So let's try that again. 1, 2, last time. 1, 2, ready, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Practice this song until you've memorized F chord, C7, and switching and strumming at the same time. I'll see you in the next tutorial.